What if you could fit an entire chart inside a single Excel cell? No extra space, no clutter, just instant visual insight right next to your numbers. Sparklines are. Most people look at a table full of monthly sales numbers and have absolutely no idea if the trend is going up, crashing down, or completely flat. Because here we have monthly sales data for 4 products across 6 months. It is just numbers right now, and it is impossible to spot trends at a glance. Click on the empty cell in column H right next to your click line to insert a line Sparkline, and Excel will ask you to select the data range. Highlight cells B2 through G2, which are all 6 months of data for your first. Look at that. Every product now has its own mini trend chart living right inside a single cell, showing you instantly which products are growing, which are declining, and You just learned how to use Excel Sparklines to create beautiful mini trend charts inside individual cells, complete with highlighted